Hey, you are a student, you are a beginner, or you are a working professional. Do you want to earn money? Then here I am. You can earn lots of money using NotebookLM. How you can make lots of money using NotebookLM? Just dive into the video. So here we will use NotebookLM to create such type of amazing videos, slide deck, infographics, again many types of reports which we can sell to the client. Very easy, simple. So first, this is your notebook interface. I am going to say you. So this is your notebook interface. If you want to create something, you can click on create notebook. After clicking it, you can here add sources. So what type of sources available? See, you can add sources. Here you can do web search. Here you can do fast research or deep research. Then here many tools are available, like you can create audio overview, video overview, slide deck, through which we can earn lots of money. So on lots of money. So see, I am going to show you how I have created a amazing notebook through which I have created lots of money. So here this is my notebook. To see what I done. So I have first added my sources, all the important sources that I took from YouTube and uploaded here. After uploading here, I just gave some prompts just to check what prompt I gave. So it provide me detail about what are these videos are content. It provide me everything, scene 1, scene 2, see what prompt I have give here. Complete prompt I provide, add like a presentation designer, everything I told him that you are this, create me amazing slide deck on it. So it provided me a detailed recommended chart, diagram, everything it created. Do you want to see the slide decks? Yeah, I am showing you to see how amazing slide deck it's created. See, this is the slide deck it created, just giving a simple prompt. 1% AI ampere. How beautiful, means everything it content. Full professional. And I sold it for 5,000. Sorry, how much? $3,000. This slide deck. Can you imagine? This much only. You can also sell it. See, from this data only I have created this video. Just you see and tell me how this video is.
Imagine building $1 billion business right out of your living room. No massive office, no venture capital, and literally not a single that everyday people are using right now to turn artificial